So what's the fastest way to increase your sales by up to 30% and more? Today, I'm going to answer that question and show you 4 powerful game changers that can quickly and dramatically increase your internet sales. Coming up. Hello there, fellow business owners and managers, and welcome to our webinar. A big hello to my existing customers. I sure appreciate you taking your time to tune in. For others, where we're just maybe meeting for the first time, my name is Steve, and I'm the founder and CEO of SiteSolutions, where since 1995, it's been my passion to help folks just like you dramatically increase your sales and accomplish your marketing goals and objectives. If you're watching this as a webinar replay, be sure to subscribe to our channel where we regularly add new content, and we also provide links to several powerful free tools and instructional videos that can help you with your internet marketing success down in the description below. And if you're new to SiteSolutions, I'd like to ask yourself this question: why should you take time to listen to me about all this stuff? That's a fair question. The simple answer is this: since I first launched our company way back in 1995, we've worked with over 2 million website owners, just like you. And we've helped them increase their sales by as much as 30% in as little as 30 days. It's this level of customer successes that validates my advice and the services that we provide. Now, I'm going to pack a lot of powerful information and proven techniques into this short time we have today. It's going to take us about 45 minutes. And what you're going to learn is well worth your time. If you're watching this as a replay, be sure to bookmark this video so you can come back and listen to it again, as you're not going to want to miss any of this because, quite frankly, this stuff works.